Alright, so every year we see a lot of new laptops. Some are good, some are just okay. But every now and then, a new machine comes along that just changes the game. Today we're looking at one of those. This is the ASUS ROG Strix Scar 16, and it's pretty much the ultimate gaming beast you can get your hands on in 2025. It's built from the ground up for one thing: performance. ASUS has packed the absolute best components available into this chassis, creating a portable powerhouse that feels like it shouldn't even be possible. It's for the person who wants zero compromises. So what makes it so powerful? Let's talk about the engine inside. This laptop is running on the brand new Intel Core Ultra 9 275HX processor. In simple terms, this is the brain of the computer, and it's one of the smartest and fastest brains out there right now. It can handle many difficult tasks at once without even breaking a sweat. So whether you're playing a demanding new game, streaming your gameplay to your friends, and talking on Discord all at the same time, this processor keeps everything running incredibly smoothly. It's a huge leap forward in mobile computing power. Of course, for a gaming laptop, the brain needs a powerful partner. That partner is the new NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5090 graphics card. This is what creates all the beautiful images you see on the screen. The RTX 5090 is an absolute monster. It allows you to play the latest games at the highest possible settings, with all the fancy lighting effects like ray tracing turned on. This means games look more realistic than ever before. Light bounces off surfaces naturally, shadows are deep and accurate, and the worlds you explore feel incredibly immersive. It's not just an upgrade, it's a whole new level of visual experience. Finally, let's talk about the design. This laptop screams gamer in the best way possible. It has a sleek, futuristic look with sharp angles and customizable RGB lighting all over. The keyboard has lights for each key, so you can make it look exactly how you want. There's even a light bar at the front that adds to the cool aesthetic. It's a device that looks just as powerful on the outside as it is on the inside. It's heavy, yes, but that's because it's packed with so much incredible technology. This isn't just a tool, it's a statement piece for any gamer's setup. A powerful laptop needs an equally amazing screen, and ASUS did not disappoint here. The ROG Strix Scar 16 comes with a 16-inch Nebula HDR display. This is a mini LED screen, which means it can get incredibly bright and show very deep, dark blacks right next to each other. The result is a picture with stunning contrast that makes everything pop. The colors are also super accurate and vibrant, covering 100% of the DCI-P3 color space. This makes games and movies look exactly as the creators intended, full of rich and lifelike tones. It's one of the best displays I've ever seen on a laptop. The screen has a QHD+ resolution, which is 2560 by 1600 pixels. This is sharper than standard Full HD, so you see more detail in everything you do. Text looks crisp, images are clear, and in games you can spot enemies from farther away. But the real magic for gamers is the refresh rate. This screen refreshes 240 times per second, or 240 Hz. This makes motion look incredibly smooth. In fast-paced games like first-person shooters, this smoothness can give you a real advantage, because you can react to what's happening on screen much faster. There's no blurriness or choppiness here, just pure, fluid motion. This amazing display isn't just for gaming either. If you are a content creator who works with photos or videos, this screen is a dream come true. The color accuracy means you can trust that the colors you see on your screen are the same colors everyone else will see. You can edit your high-resolution photos and videos with confidence, knowing every detail is sharp and every color is perfect. The brightness of the mini LED panel also makes it great for watching HDR movies, giving you a true cinematic experience right on your lap. It's a versatile screen for both work and play. When you combine the high resolution, the incredible color, and the super-fast refresh rate, you get a display that is truly immersive. It feels like you're looking through a window into another world, not just at a screen. For any task that relies on visuals, from gaming to graphic design, this display elevates the entire experience. ASUS knew that the screen is your main connection to the computer, and they made sure that connection was as clear, fast, and beautiful as possible. It's a major highlight of this already impressive machine. Let's look at two more things that make this laptop so fast: the RAM and the storage. This Scar 16 model comes with a massive 64 GB of the latest DDR5 RAM. Think of RAM as the computer's short-term memory. It's where the computer holds all the apps and files you are currently using. Having a huge amount of fast RAM means you can have a ton of things open at once. You can have your game running, dozens of browser tabs open, a music app playing, and a video rendering in the background. And the laptop won't slow down at all. It makes multitasking feel effortless. For long-term storage, where you keep all your games, files, and programs, this laptop uses a super fast 4TB SSD, or solid-state drive. Unlike old hard drives, SSDs have no moving parts, so they can read and write information almost instantly. This means the computer boots up in just a few seconds. Games and applications load incredibly quickly, so you spend less time waiting on loading screens and more time playing. With 4 terabytes of space, you can install a huge library of games and still have plenty of room for your creative projects and other files. Now, with all this power from the processor and graphics card, the laptop creates a lot of heat. If it gets too hot, it has to slow down to protect itself. To prevent this, ASUS has developed a very advanced cooling system. It uses a special material called liquid metal on both the CPU and GPU, which is much better at transferring heat than regular thermal paste. It also has 3 fans and a network of heat pipes that work together to pull hot air away from the important components and push it out of the laptop. This is super important for keeping performance high. This incredible cooling system means the laptop can run at its maximum speed for a long time. This is called sustained performance. While some other thin laptops might have powerful parts, they often get hot and have to slow down after just a few minutes of intense gaming. The ROG Strix SCAR 16, however, can maintain its peak performance for hours. This gives you a consistent and reliable experience, whether you're in the middle of a marathon gaming session or working on a long video export. The cooling is the unsung hero that makes all this power usable. So, with all this technology, who should actually buy this laptop? Well, the first and most obvious answer is the serious gamer. If you are someone who wants to play the newest, most demanding games like Cyberpunk 2077 or the next Grand Theft Auto, at the highest settings with perfect frame rates, this is the machine for you. The combination of the RTX 5090 and the 240Hz display provides a competitive edge in online games and an incredibly immersive experience in single-player adventures. It doesn't get much better than this for portable gaming in 2025. But it's not just for gamers. This laptop is also an amazing tool for content creators. If you are a video editor working with 4K or even 8K footage, the powerful processor and GPU will allow you to edit and render your projects much faster. For 3D artists and animators, the massive amount of RAM and the powerful graphics card can handle complex scenes and models with ease. The fast SSD means you won't be stuck waiting for large project files to load. It's a mobile workstation that can compete with many desktop computers, allowing you to create from anywhere. Let's also consider the power user or developer. If you're someone who works with large datasets, virtual machines, or complex code compilations, the sheer processing power of the Core Ultra 9 processor and the 64 GB of RAM will be a massive benefit. You can run multiple demanding applications simultaneously without any lag. It's a machine that removes bottlenecks and lets you focus on your work, saving you valuable time. For anyone whose work pushes the limits of what a computer can do, this laptop is a very compelling option that offers desktop-level performance in a portable package. So, closing thoughts. The ASUS ROG Strix SCAR 16 is not for everyone. It's big, it's heavy, and it's definitely expensive, but that's not the point. This laptop is for the person who wants the absolute best performance possible in a portable form factor, with no compromises. If you are a hardcore gamer, a professional creator, or a power user who needs top-tier speed and power for your work and play, then this beast of a machine is built specifically for you. It's the pinnacle of laptop engineering in 2025.